What is up, guys? This is Alex the Rail Fanning Redneck here. I'm sure that Athearn flat car video was not the most fun model railroad video you've ever seen, but thankfully this next video is a small step this next video is a small step up in improvement. So instead of a flat car, we have a grain car. They call the smooth-sided closed hopper. This is not an Athearn, so you'll be surprised that I'm reviewing this, but I'm not surprised I'm reviewing this either, because a video of something slightly not as good as Athearn is better than no model railroad video at all. So just be grateful that I'm reviewing this. So, this is my Bachmann CSX ACF center flow 4-bay grain hopper. It's actually a closed hopper with smooth sides, but if you can prefer to call it a grain hopper if you want to, because grain is preferably carried in these smooth-sided hoppers for various reasons. So, we're going to start off at one end at it. Here we have moderate detail. It's all molded in. There's nothing separately applied here, as you may expect from a Bachmann. You have the ladders right here. The brake wheel is separately applied, however. That looks like an air tank in the middle. Move it up a little bit so you can see. And some other miscellaneous detail on there. The CSXT reporting mark and number is right there. Moving to the side, you have nice printed on reporting marks, load limits, and load plates. It's a Plate C rail car like all North American Class 1 rail cars are. Have a nice builder's plate right there, I think. The CSX logo. Some more specs right there. The Kumsus, decently detailed. Up on the top you have walkway tread. And the hats is that you load your product into the hopper, basically. And at the end, it's actually the same as the other end that we started at. It has Bachmann EasyMate couplers. Now, under the car, we have metal wheels, which is a step up for Bachmann. Normally they have plastic wheels on their train sets and all that stuff. The 4 bays, you have a number right there. That might be the serial number. The couplers come off by screws and plates, as do the trucks. Moderate detail, not too fancy. It's all nice. So, we might hook it up to a train and. Alright, we have the hopper, set it on the tracks, connected to the train. That was my flat car from the previous video. And the locomotive pulling this will be CSX 4402, my Athearn ZP40-2. Now, let's start this train moving. And not. A little bit of technical difficulties with this engine. There we go. And now we will meet it going across the grade crossing. And there it goes around there. Preview for some other videos right there. Wait for it to go through the junction. And what do you think about Christmas tree, guys? So, we're gonna let them go through here. Looks pretty good. We're gonna slow her down now. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed the video of my Bachmann CSX covered hopper. I know there's gonna be, the next video is gonna be a hopper too, but it's gonna be something a little bit cooler, just so you know. You may have seen it in you may have seen it in this video actually. But yeah, hope you enjoyed this. This is Alex the Rail Fanning Redneck, and I'm